Astigmatism is a condition where your cornea is not perfectly round and cannot evenly focus light onto your retina. As a result, your vision will be slightly blurred because the light that hits the retina is refracted and bent as it passes through your cornea. One obvious indication that you're suffering from astigmatism is blurred or distorted vision, while other common symptoms can be eye strain or headaches. For a complete diagnosis, you should always visit an eye doctor. Astigmatisms are common and are diagnosed after completing a simple eye test. There are 4 primary types of astigmatism. Number 1. Myopic astigmatism, also referred to as astigmatism myopia. This is where one or both of the eyes suffer from nearsighted vision loss. Number 2. Hyperopic astigmatism, or astigmatism hyperopia. This is where one or both of the eyes suffer from farsighted vision loss. Number 3. Mixed astigmatism, which is where one eye suffers from nearsighted vision loss and the other suffers from farsighted vision loss. And number 4. Normal astigmatism. This is where one or both of the eyes suffer from astigmatism with no other vision loss conditions. Once your astigmatism is diagnosed and confirmed, your eye doctor will then give you a prescription that you can use to get a fancy pair of prescription glasses or contact lenses for astigmatism. If you're on the hunt for some contact lenses or prescription glasses to help you with astigmatism, look no further than SmartBuyGlasses.